In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open Marquee tool Affinity Photo. By the end, you'll have the Marquee tool right where you need it on the left toolbar, ready for quick selections. First, open Affinity Photo and load any document so you can see the interface clearly. On the left side, you'll find the main toolbar. If you don't see the Marquee tool there, no worries, that's exactly what we're fixing. Look for the three dots icon on the left toolbar. This is the More Options button for customizing tools. Click it to open the Customization panel. This panel lets you add, remove, and rearrange tools so your workspace matches how you like to work. Inside that panel, use the search bar and type Marquee tool. The list will filter instantly. You'll see the Marquee options show up, typically the rectangular and elliptical variants used for making clean, quick selections. If you've ever needed to isolate part of an image or create a precise cutout, these tools are essential. Now choose the Marquee tool from the results and drag it over to the left toolbar. As you hover, watch for the highlight that shows exactly where it will land. Drop it in the spot that makes the most sense for your workflow. You can place it as a standalone icon or nest it with related selection tools so they share a single slot with a flyout. Take a moment to arrange it near other tools you reach for often. A logical order can save you time on every project. Once it's in place, you're set. The Marquee tool will now be accessible directly from the left side of your workspace. When you select it, you can click and drag on your canvas to define a selection, perfect for cropping areas, applying adjustments to specific regions, or quickly masking elements. If you like using shortcuts, you can also check your preferences for the assigned key to speed things up even more. That's it. Your Marquee tool is now easy to find and ready to use in Affinity Photo.